Alright, we're long Cobra 3 NQ again at this price, 66.22. This represents 2 contracts. This is a research workspace for this Cobra 3. We're going to show what we did yesterday in NinjaTrader using the money management algorithms. So let's take a look at the performance summary. 1 contract, no slippage or commission taken out, going back 14 months, 38.65, worst case drawdown 2400, 270 average trade profit factor of 2, really good results. And here's the equity curve. And so if you want to be more selective, you want to reduce your drawdown a little bit, want to boost your average trade profit a little bit, want to boost your profit factor a little bit at the cost of maybe having less total net profit because you have less trades, you can use the money management algorithms. The key was to, we talked about in reference of the top step trader combine, where your risk on, say, a $30,000 account is very low. You can't lose more than $1,500 from your starting point, and so that's pretty hard to do. But the money management algorithms, here is a setup in with the money management algorithms on the right. The strategy on the right looks at the Cobra 3 on the left, and it takes trades accordingly. This is the consecutive losers, and I'm going to go over that. It's a little bit different settings than what we had yesterday. And so if you take a look at, we're using Rule 13, consecutive losers, winners to stop, and this setting is looking at 1 and 1. If we wait for a loss and then we stop trading after a winner, then you trade more frequently. And so these are the settings for this setup. I use the same sort of settings under here. Original systems rules match. You work to manage this the way the original system is set up. And so let's take a look at the results with the what we had yesterday in NinjaTrader 3, 2. And the results between platforms can be a little different the way the fill algorithms work, but still you get a very low. I believe the max close trade drawdown yesterday was 600. This is 1200. The stop loss is 600. So, you know, when you have a close trade drawdown of 600, you probably want to make an account for that to be at least 1200. But this would meet an initial criteria. Keep in mind this is over 14 months, and 12,950 is a total net profit. So it's very conservative. Doesn't trade much, only 20 trades, and so you want to time this. And so you see the results here. So the first 10 trades through October of 2018 were not as good. Since October 2018 in this setup, really good. And so what you want to do is you want to trade markets that are volatile, that have strategies that have a stop loss that's medium to small, and then let the profits run for a day trade. And so this strategy does that. Cobra 3 NQ does that, and it's locked into this. And you see strategies will go through sideways to down periods, and then they'll have runs. And so right now this type of market environment is perfect for Cobra 3 environment because it goes through drawdowns. It still goes through drawdowns, so it's not, from a trading perspective, it's ideal. When I say perfect, it's ideal for taking trades. You see recent losses as well. There were 4 losers right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are all, you take no more than 1 trade per day, and you're not risking more than $600 per trade. And so, and now it's on its 4th trade. They had 3 trades, 3 winners in a row on its 4th, and you know it's not a big profit today. So this could roll over. Pretty extreme pre-Christmas move, sold off into oblivion. Market closed, opened up on Christmas Eve, and then has just rallied ever since. The Santa Claus rally came in, the beginning of the year rally came in right here, and so we'll see how far this carries. And the jury is out. Sentiment seems mixed. Some say that the bottom is in, while others think that the bottom will take out this low over here. We'll see. I think volatility is here to stay, and I like this strategy for this market environment regardless of direction because it takes long and short trades. And so you can play with the settings, you can vary it, you can make it better, and you can apply the money management algorithms to any trading system that you have.